Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Allianz insurance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your Allianz insurance policy, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Allianz application and be sure to be logged in with the credentials to access your Allianz account. Then once logged in, locate and select policy or my policy section. Then tap on cancel policy option and then simply choose a cancellation date. Select the date you wish your policy to be cancelled. Then provide a reason for cancellation by indicating the reason for cancelling your policy. Then review refund details by simply reviewing any applicable refund amounts based on the cancellation date. And once done, review all details and confirm cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.